Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream caramel sauce. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Make sure your cream is warmed slightly. You will also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's begin by preparing our sugar mixture. Now, combine the 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water in your saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Stir gently with a whisk or spoon until all the sugar crystals have dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Allow the mixture to simmer undisturbed until it transforms into a beautiful, rich amber color. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. This next step requires caution. Carefully and slowly pour your warm 1 cup of heavy cream into the hot caramel. The mixture will bubble up quite vigorously, so be prepared. Immediately begin stirring continuously with a whisk. Keep stirring until the caramel and cream are fully combined and the sauce becomes smooth. Don't worry if it looks a little lumpy at first, just keep whisking. Once your sauce is smooth, remove it from the heat. Stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter until it's fully melted and incorporated. Then, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that wonderful aroma and taste. Allow the caramel sauce to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. It will thicken as it cools and can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.